Visuals of fruits, nuts, seeds, leafy greens. Narrator. Science now shows that the foods we choose can reshape how we age, down to the way our cells repair, the way our brain functions, and even the way our hormones stay balanced. Section 1: The aging body, a system that still wants to heal. Visual. Woman touching her arm with plant graphics flowing through her body. Narrator. The human body is a miracle. Even in later adulthood, it keeps fighting for us, repairing tissue, renewing cells, recalibrating hormones, detoxifying, regenerating, and defending every organ. But it can only work with the tools we give it. And the most powerful tools of all are nutrients. Section 2: Hormones, the invisible controllers of health. Visual. Brain, thyroid, gut icons glowing on her body. Narrator. Hormones control how we feel every single day: our mood, our appetite, our sleep, our weight, our energy, and even our longevity. As we get older, hormonal changes are natural, but a nutrient-rich diet can dramatically slow these changes and keep the body in balance. Visual. Nuts, seeds, avocados, olive oil floating around the screen. Narrator. These foods contain healthy fats that build hormones, reduce inflammation, and protect the heart. Without them, the body struggles to keep its internal chemistry stable. Section 3: The foods that restore us. 1. Fruits. Nature's antioxidant shield. Visual. Bowl of colorful fruits. Narrator. Vibrant fruits: blueberries, oranges, kiwis. Apples fight oxidative damage, slow aging, and nourish the skin and brain. Antioxidants neutralize the cellular stress that builds up over decades. 2. Vegetables, the body's repair tools. Visual. Broccoli, carrots, wheatgrass. Narrator. Leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables cleanse the liver, regulate hormones, and supply minerals that strengthen bones, muscles, and immunity. They keep the foundation of the body strong. 3. Nuts and seeds, fuel for hormones and brain. Visual. Almonds, walnuts, chia, flaxseed. Narrator. Nuts and seeds provide omega-3s, amino acids, and essential fats your cells crave. Walnuts support brain health. Almonds protect the heart. Flax and chia balance hormones naturally. 4. Healthy oils, liquid gold for aging cells. Visual. Olive oil. Narrator. Cold-pressed olive oil reduces inflammation, supports joint health, improves digestion, and protects the brain from age-related decline. A simple spoonful a day can transform how the body functions.
5. Whole grains. Slow, steady energy. Visual. Whole wheat bread. Oats. Narrator. Whole grains stabilize blood sugar, preventing energy crashes and mood swings. They nourish the gut, a key player in hormone health and aging. 6. Herbs and roots. Ancient medicine. Visual. Ginger, turmeric, basil. Narrator. Herbs like turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation and protect the body from chronic illness. They have been used for centuries, long before modern medicine. Section 4. The body's internal garden. Visual. Plant-based graphics over her chest and arms. Narrator. Every nutrient you consume becomes part of you. Your blood, your bones, your muscles, your hormones, your brain. This is why food matters, because it literally becomes the architecture of your body. With every bite, you are either feeding disease or feeding life. Section 5. Daily eating habits that transform aging. Visual. Time-lapse of a day with meals. Narrator. Aging gracefully isn't about strict diets. It's about consistent nourishment. Here are simple habits that support longevity. Include fruits and vegetables in every meal. Add nuts or seeds daily for essential fats. Use olive oil instead of processed oils. Drink plenty of water to support detoxification. Limit sugar to reduce inflammation. Eat whole grains instead of refined carbs. Make protein a priority for muscle maintenance. Narrator. Small choices repeated daily create major changes over years. This is how the body rebuilds itself. Section 6. Aging is not decline. It's transition. Visual, woman closing her eyes. Peaceful, healthy foods glowing around her. Narrator. Aging should not be feared. It is simply the body shifting into a new phase one that still seeks balance, strength, and vitality. With the right foods, your cells become stronger. Your brain becomes clearer. Your hormones stabilize. Your energy returns. Your skin glows. You are never too old to nourish your body, and never too old to heal. Closing line. Narrator. Honor your body. Feed it life. And let nature help you age with power, purpose, and grace.